Hello everyone, today I am sharing tastiest chicken fry recipe. For this, take 1 kg chicken, add 2 spoons of salt, 2 spoons of red chili powder, half spoon turmeric powder, 2.5 spoons of ginger garlic paste, half slice of lemon juice, and mix all of them nicely. If you want, you can also add some oil and mix it. Heat some oil in the pan. When oil is hot, add some dry masalas. Here I am adding half spoon shahi jeera, some cinnamon sticks, some cardamom and some cloves. Now add finely chopped onions and half spoon salt. Salt makes onions cook faster. Mix it and now add some mint leaves. Mint leaves will give nice aroma to the curry. When onions become translucent, now it's time to add marinated chicken pieces to it. Mix all of it nicely. Now keep the lid and cook it for 15 minutes on a medium heat. After 15 minutes, mix it gently and add 1 spoon of chicken masala and half spoon of coriander powder. Mix it again. Now keep the lid and cook it for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, add some coriander leaves to it. Our yummy and spicy chicken fry is ready now. You can enjoy it with rice, puris, chapatis, naans, and so on. Hello everyone, if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Indian Recipes by Nivedita to watch more Indian recipe videos.